Welcome to this breathing meditation for change, in which I will guide you to embrace anything that comes into your life, whether good or bad. Transitions and changes are essential in order to evolve. So, find a quiet room and prepare for this session. Sit nice and tall, closing your eyes slowly. Lengthen your spine and connect with your body breathing. Follow each respiration pattern as the fresh air travels into and out of your body. Inhale deeply. Pause for 3 seconds. And exhale out through your mouth with a gentle sigh. Inhale. Pause for 3 seconds. And exhale out through your mouth, letting go of all the stress. One more time. Inhale deeply. Pause for 3 seconds. And exhale out through your mouth, allowing your whole body to relax and soothe. Come back to your normal respiration and try to breathe down into your belly for the duration of this meditation. Whatever changes happen in your life, moving to a new place, changing your job, a baby being born, or even death are important for transitions and letting go. If we want to attract new things into our lives, the key is to let go of the old and allow new things to enter our path. Now stay here and breathe in and out, thinking about the changes that came into your life. Whatever you are dealing with is all right. Accepting and embracing this transition is important and is all you need to do right now. Inhale more acceptance towards changes and exhale any insecurities and doubts. Whatever negative emotions or thoughts you have, let them come out as you exhale. Breathe in more trust towards your future and exhale all the things that are no longer good for your evolution and expansion. Stay here as much as you wish and let the energy of this session settle into your body, mind, and heart. Breathe and allow your whole being to unwind. When you wish to end this meditation, breathe deeply 3 times and reawaken your body back to your external reality. Slowly open your eyes and continue this day filled with acceptance, patience, and love. Come back to this practice anytime you need more acceptance in your life. Be well.